Welcome. Today we're going to be learning how to use Blaze Slideshow Plugin for WordPress in order to insert slideshows using the shortcode that it provides. The first thing we need to do here is log into our WordPress administrative account. And this login page will bring us to the dashboard, or what we also refer to as the back office for our WordPress installation. Now you'll notice that the Blaze plugin menu is on the left sidebar menu. Not every plugin shows up in this menu, but plugins that have a lot of content to manage and a lot of different settings that are customizable will appear in this menu. Cornerstone Church WordPress installation has the Blaze Slideshow plugin and the Sermons plugin that you can upload content to using each of these and edit that content, and that content will automatically appear on the website. And both are accessible, the only plugins accessible on this menu. There are 4 different pages for the Blaze Slideshow plugin. The only 2 that you really need to be concerned about are the About page and Album Management. Now the About page shows us the name of the plugin, installation video, as well as 3 shortcodes that we can use to insert slideshows into our posts or pages. Now there are 3 shortcodes. The first one, simply entitled Blaze, will insert every single image that we've uploaded to the Blaze plugin into a single slideshow, wherever this code is inserted. Now, for our purposes at Cornerstone Church, we don't really need to use this. I don't really foresee any situation where we would want every single image uploaded to one slideshow. However, these bottom 2 are quite useful. This second one, the one in the middle, Blaze Cats, that actually stands for categories. Those categories are actually the albums that we upload. So we can organize our images into albums, and the short code for that is cats. And these numbers are simply the ID numbers that are automatically assigned to the album when we create it. So let's take a look at that just to get familiar with it. Here we go. Now, right now we have 2 albums. They're assigned IDs 3 and 4. The names, the descriptions of the albums. All right. And these images are simply the images that I assigned to be the album cover so that I can recognize the album when I'm looking at this menu. That's all that is. So these are not individual images, but albums. If we'd like to see the images that lie within an album, simply go to Manage Images over here, click on it, and it will show you the images that lie within an album. This album in particular, the slideshow on the home page, which I call just the home album because I need it for that one slideshow that's going to be on the home page. It's easier for me to organize these images into an album and then use that short code to put the album on the home page. As you can see, we have 3 images, and each image is also assigned an image ID. Now, you'll see that these numbers might overlap. For instance, I have an album ID of 4 and an image ID of 4. Now, remember, this is IMG shortcode. This is CATS for categories. And that's how the shortcode distinguishes between the 2. Now, we're actually going to be inserting the Ministries album into the Ministries page. That's ID 4. So let's go take a look at that shortcode one more time. We're going to be using this code to insert the images for the album Ministries into the Ministries page. And that's going to be Blaze Cats equals 4 because that's the ID we're going to be using for that album. Now, just to quickly go over this Blaze images, this code can be used to insert images into a slideshow that perhaps lie in different albums. Maybe you want to utilize an image from one image from 3 different albums, well, you can use the image IDs instead of actually using the album IDs and insert images that lie within multiple albums or images that lie within that are not within the same album. So let's go to Pages and let's just copy this short code and insert the Ministries album into the Ministry page, just for an example. I can see I actually already have this one in here. So I have my Blaze categories and then the ID of the album. So let's see what this looks like. I actually have this open in another page over here, or another tab. And here's the Ministries page. You'll see that the slideshow appears immediately. And only the images that are in that particular album will appear here. You'll note there's only 2 images. Let's go back and verify that. Now remember, to see the images that lie within an album, we're going to click on Manage Images. And here we can see those 2 images that appear on the slideshow. All right. Now, if I need to edit an image, I simply click Edit. I can put in a description, which will show up as a caption on the slideshow. And I can also add images, either one at a time with the title and description, or I can add several images at once and then go back and edit them individually to add titles and captions. Well, I hope this video has been helpful. If you have any questions, remember, you can fill out the training forms on the training site for Cornerstone Community Church, and the blue form and the green form are both located on the homepage of the training site. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you next time.